I've been working with LS2 since 2012, and we built a good product then, but nowhere near as good as we build today. The advancements in manufacturing technology have been unbelievable. When I first started, for things like mounting vents, we used a drill like pretty much everybody else, where you just drill a hole through the shell. Then we went to a water cutter, and the water cutter was a dramatic improvement in speed and technology, but it left a ragged hole, which isn't what we want. We want perfection. So we moved to lasers. We now have laser cutters that cut all the holes for the vents, the shields. We even are able to snap on this lower trim. No glue, it just snaps into place. We do that by advanced technology, laser cutters. We also use lasers on the shield. How do we do that? Well, we're one of 2 companies in the world that make our own shields in our own factory. We use Class A polycarbonate, which is optically correct, but still in the manufacturing process, we want to make sure that it's perfect. So we have a laser tool that drives a laser light through the shield onto a target to let us know if we're spot on or if we're off. And if we're off, things get changed and corrected. What about the inside of the helmet? You'll see 2 pads here, all right? I pulled this one out of a competitor's helmet. This is actually from their MotoGP helmet. And look at how they make their curve. You can see that it's contoured here, but they do it through putting a little wedge here and then gluing this over. And the same here, there's a big hollow spot so that your cheek bends in, so then they sew it on, and that's how they make their 3D curves. We actually have a 3D laser knife. You can see the contour right here. We back it up with different density foams, but where it touches your cheek and your face, it's shaped like your face. They break in well, and ultimately they reach the point where there's no hot spots and all-day comfort, which is what it's all about. Let's talk about EPS. Here we have a carbon-infused EPS from this model, the Challenger. You can see different colors of gray, dark and light. Each one of those is a different density. LS2 developed the technology to blow those into a mold balanced and equal 360 degrees. So it's really the first true 360 degree multi-density EPS in the history of humankind, developed by LS2. On the inside, you'll notice that it looks sort of like those old cutting boards you might have cut your turkey on to allow the juices to flow. Same type of thing. Air follows the path of least resistance, and if you look closely, some of these are wider than others. That allows the majority of the air to flow where it needs to be, and then it pushes the remainder across the top of the head so the rider stays cool all the way around. And all that's accomplished by dynamic ventilation. You open the top vents, it forces air in through the ports of the EPS across that channel, and then this spoiler creates a low pressure system back here to draw the air through. So you have true dynamic ventilation. You go into our quick release straps or our D-rings. They're state of the art. They're the best you can buy. All the foam, all the inner material, top of the line. LS2 is absolutely a state of the art helmet company. This product, the Challenger, like all LS2s, is available from an LS2 dealer near you.